In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a quote template in Zoho Books. Whether you're personalizing your business communication or just trying to make your quotes uniquely representative of your brand, customizing your quote templates can make all the difference. Now, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Settings area of Zoho Books. Start by locating the gear icon, which resembles a small cog situated in the top right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard. This icon serves as the gateway to a multitude of customization options within Zoho Books. Clicking it will bring you into the Settings menu, where many features can be tailored to suit your specific needs. Once you're in the settings, direct your attention to the Customization section and select PDF templates. This is where all the magic happens for your documents. PDF templates allow you to tweak and adjust the appearance and content of various documents, including quotes, invoices, and more. Selecting this option will usher you into a new area specifically for managing these templates. Now, you'll want to choose the Quotes module, which can be found within the Templates pane. This step ensures that any adjustments you make will be specifically targeted towards quote documents rather than other types of templates. Click on Quotes, and you'll see a variety of templates that can be altered according to your business's branding and messaging needs. For customization, go ahead and click Edit on the template you wish to modify. Customization can include editing fields such as your logo, address, and any other relevant details that reflect your business identity or the specifics you'd like included on your quotes. Taking this time to modify these elements ensures that your quotes not only look professional, but also provide all necessary information at a glance. Once you've made adjustments, it's always a good idea to review your handiwork. To do this, simply click on the Preview button located at the bottom of the page. Previewing allows you to see exactly how your changes will appear on the final document, offering a clear indication of whether your adjustments achieve the desired outcome. After previewing, if you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Save button. This will apply all the customizations you've implemented, ensuring that every quote you send out carries your unique customization, enhancing the client experience with a professional and personalized touch. And there you have it, a straightforward process to edit your quote templates in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll ensure that every quote you generate is perfectly aligned with your company's branding and communication style. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.